If you're heading into a busy season, whether it's sports, appointments, whatever you have going on, these are 7 simple steps that I do to make it feel a little bit more manageable. The first thing I would do is a full laundry reset. Go through your house, gather anything loose, and get it washed, dried, folded, and put it away. Wash your sheets and reset your bed. It sounds simple, but it is going to make everything feel more manageable going into your busy week. Plan 5 simple dinners that you can repeat this week. They don't need to be complicated, just easy meals with simple ingredients that you can make without thinking. Declutter one hotspot in your home. Just one area that's been bothering you. Getting that one space under control can make everything else feel lighter. Refill your essentials, things like soap, paper goods, snacks, so you're not running out midweek. Prep simple, grab-and-go snacks for you and your family. Reset calendar expectations. A couple weeks ago, I had an unexpected change in my schedule, and I had to look at everything and decide what actually mattered, what needed to stay, what could wait, and what needed to be let go of for now. The last thing is to lower your standards, but do it intentionally. Not everything needs to be done the way that you would normally do it. Dinner can be simpler. Store-bought is okay. Freezer meals are even better. Your home might not stay perfectly clean, and that's okay. Even homeschool or routines might need to be lighter for a season. This isn't about doing less forever. It's about supporting yourself in a busy season. So if you're heading into a busy season, I hope that this helps you even just a little bit.
Through the highs and lows, I'll find my way. In the rhythm of life, I'll dance and sway. With every step, I'll rise and shine. In this beautiful journey, I'll make life mine.